Hi, this is Merrill Lynch right here, and I found another youth that ain't paying up at $700 billion that him and his family made me lose. What do you got to think about that, deadbeat?
It's a great thing. It's very nice.
Yeah, it's all great when it's other people's money. You know, I'll tell you, you American people heist us with their low interest and their promises of working hard. Now, well, you're going to come up with the $700 billion and you're part of it there, kid.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad.
Well, this is Merrill Lynch. And I tell you, I'm out here, in the streets and everything. It's like that $700 billion for AIG, Fannie and Freddie, and Chase Manhattan, and MasterCard, and GE, and all my friends. So I'll tell you, you better start paying up, kid.
Okay, 30%.